So again, I'm Dr. Butch Villena, isa po akong specialista ng family medicine. And mas maganda po ito, yan, I'm a diplomate of the Philippine Academy of Family Physicians. And siya nga po pala, solo po ako ngayon kasi ang aking pong partner, si Miss Ping, is presently napaka-busy po niya ngayon sa Cebu. And nandun po kasi ang ating pong Director for International Affairs, si Dr. Connie po, at kasama po ni Miss Ping, of course, ang ating pong Director for International Affairs. So, Miss Ping, ako na to muna. Okay? Yakan natin to. Now, so game. Ako po ay author po ng ating librong Complete 24/7 Natural Healers, of course, with my wife. I'm a professor in the College of Medicine and Nursing. Okay? And part ako ng training team both locally and internationally. And I'm the medical product consultant of Empowered Consumerism, which happens to be, yan po yung bagong logo natin. Yan. Okay, a division of AIM Global Group of Companies. Yun ang magandang usapan. Okay?